morning and welcome back to the vlog. Today is my sunny day one of my vacation and I'm at the cottage. Oh, it is the July 1st weekend. It is Friday right now. I don't know when you're going to be seeing this video, probably like at least a week later, maybe less, maybe more, because it's really difficult to do uploads here because it just is. We're not in the big city, you know? Anyways, Amy Lee and I and Andrew, we're gonna go into town and get some coffee and do some shopping. And I wonder if I can show you my outfit. Super cute. I have these like joggers on and my like shiny kind of Birkenstocks. I love these. I love these joggers. I feel nice and cute and comfy. Yeah, so I'll take you with us. Hey, look at you. You look so cottage. Cottage time. Everybody, the whole gang is here. And Amy Lee's husband, Aaron, is here, but he's not here. People ask about him, you know. He's famous. He's here, but he's not with us right now. He actually went golfing with my dad. And okay, are you ready to go?
I am.
Okay, let's go. Andrew, we're going. Amy Lee, sit in the front. We'll put Andrew in the back. So yesterday I picked these up and I bit into one and I feel like they're the most disgusting thing I've ever had.
Is it a texture thing?
No, I like soft cookies.
I think I will like these.
Okay.
They smell good. I like it.
Ew.
What's so gross about it?
Tastes like cardboard. Let me smell. I mean, that one doesn't smell as bad.
It has kind of like an oatmeal taste. It's good. I'll eat it.
I don't think they're good.
I like some
Okay. What a beautiful day. Sparkling water flavored with key lime balsamic.
It's interesting.
Yeah?
I like it and I don't like it.
This place is so cute. I've never been in here. Oh. We are finding the best stuff here. Like honestly, this place is so nice. Is this a nail? Oh, look at this beauty bar. Mini spa, natural beauty mini spa. Okay, we have to come here. Hello.
You like?
How is golfing?
Good. Always survive.
It's my life, okay?
Listen, I'm gonna go shopping for the pizza stuff.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
No, I don't want to watch you. I can't babysit you. Just joking.
Okay?
Yeah.
Everything bagel.
That's fine.
Yeah. I'm gonna go grocery shopping.
Aaron, look. Didn't you want one of these?
At the ocean, yeah.
He doesn't want them in the lake. Let's see that one.
Oh my god.
Let's see. Yes, Aaron, you have to. Get this one.
Get it?
Yeah. No, I'm joking. I got you a shirt already.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was. I forgot I had that in my ear.
Yeah, the length is good. Yeah. I don't know how many times I can say this in one video, but this is like the best day. I'm having so much fun.
Which one should I get?
Let's see. Oh, the orange one. They're both orange.
Well, that's power technology. Power
Ooh.
stay technology.
We are back at the cottage now and we have a ton of groceries here, groceries there. And we are trying to unload everything. Tonight is pizza and charcuterie. But I think first, Amy and I are going to get our bathing suits on, lie out in the sun, get some real tan. As much as I love this fake tan, when it goes away, I'd love to have a real tan. And I think that we're gonna go running later on. It's really hot. And the boys are just bringing over the boat and the jet ski. It is a great day. Hey, cowboy! I said, hey, cowboy.
Y'all want to turn?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
We're gonna hang out in the boat.
What?
Childhood since the day you put my heart in motion. There's the swimming. The sun is setting. We're getting ready for dinner. I just threw on a pair of overalls and we're just hanging out. How would you rate this day? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. We haven't ran yet. I feel like we should just run next week. Nope. Oh, there's my phone. Yeah, we're gonna have pizza night, which I bought a dairy-free, gluten-free pizza and charcuterie. So I'm excited. This is a great night, and hopefully we'll play some games and do some more relaxing before the festivities really begin on the weekend. The pizzeria here.
I don't think I could eat that. This isn't matter of the taste.
What are we having?
Then you're having to make your own?
I have to make my own.
My name is Louisa and I'm making pizza.
All the food. Charcuterie. Now everyone's so quiet. And I have my dairy-free, gluten-free pizza. You know something's wrong with it when the cheese won't melt. Ew.
That's good.
What a nice sunset. Whoops. Oh, a bug. A bug literally flew in my eye. Oh, my eye. I'm gonna sit here and contemplate life. It's the most beautiful moment and place. I know I say this in every video here at the cottage, but this is my favorite place in the world. The absolute world. My gluten-free, dairy-free pizza was okay. Was not good, but it was not bad. It was very like middle of the road. Anyways, so we'll probably have some coffee and relax. We're gonna try and play this new game that we got called Anomia. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever played this. It should be fun.
What?
Wait, what?
Oh, hat, Nike.
That's what I asked.
Oh, and this is how.
Baseball cap.
Okay, so here's okay, so a correct answer is usually common knowledge, can be real or fictional, current or historical, and is one that the group generally recognizes to be true. For example, if you're trying to name a musician, you could give an example of a famous musician, Michael Jackson, a local.
This has legitimately been entertaining them for so long.
Can you stir them up?
Come on.
They stir them up.
They've been doing
There you
this
go.
for so long. What if the light just exploded?
There we go.
Oh.
Throw it back.
Anyways, we have family here and we're probably going to go to bed in a little while after everyone goes home. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I will pick it back up tomorrow. Hey, Andrew. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Say good night.
Bye. Good night.